Weather Service in Milwaukee, Wisconsin has issued a special marine warning for Lake Michigan, Port Washington, Wisconsin to Wind Point, Wisconsin 5 nautical miles offshore to mid-lake until 9:15 p.m. At 8:45 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 16 nautical miles northeast of Wind Point, moving northeast at 55 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater and large hail. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Large hail could result in structural damage. The severe thunderstorm will remain over mainly open waters. Boaters should seek safe harbor immediately until the storm passes. Wind gusts 34 knots or greater, large hail, high waves, dangerous lightning, and heavy rain are possible with this storm.